Okay, so this is a video for Jewel because she doesn't know. He wants me to do a video for her. So, no, not her, but, like, teach her how to draw. So I'm going to do a simple drawing with a pencil. And you don't have to do it on a bed. I'm just doing it on a bed. Yeah, you can do it on a table anywhere. So, yeah. I don't know what she wants to draw. Let me teach her how to. But we'll do a simple dog. So, it's like paper. Yeah, so we'll do a dog face. Alright. And of course you would need pencil crayons. And don't mind my pencil. So you go try a round circle. I'm not good at round circles. But yeah, so you do a round circle. Okay, and then you can do another circle for the eyes like that. And another circle for the eye. So you got two little circles, and then you draw like this. Another circle inside it. And another circle inside that one. And yeah. So you can put a little circle too. I'm not really good. But, yeah. Okay, and then you can color this in like this. So color it in like that. See? And that's how you do the eyes. And let's do the cute little ears. So you want to go like this. So just like a fishing hook. And then go up like that. And then let's do to the same side fish hook. And then connect it. Like that. They're kind of weird, but well, that ear doesn't look connected, but it's okay. This is just practice. Okay, so now you want to draw the nose, so you want to go a round circle like that. And then you can go like this. Make it a little smile. And a cute little tongue. And a straight line in between. Like that. So yeah, I hope this helped you how to draw, and you can